All right, this is a 2002 Buick LeSabre. In order to remove and replace the license plate bulbs, you have to remove 9 bolts from the underside of the trunk, and then the light assembly slides out. Here are the 9 bolts. I went to AutoZone and bought this 10mm deep socket, which made the bolts super easy to remove. It was like $6 or so, and here is the license plate bulbs. It's number 161. If you're wondering where those bolts are, there's 9 here. 1, 2, 3. This one's hard to find. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 in the very end. 8 and 9. Once you take all those 9 out, it slides out. You'll see there they are right there. One on the left, one on the right. The one on the left was pretty easy to remove. You just twist towards you. The one on the right was a little more difficult. I use these pliers here, which made it much more easy to remove. And that's it. Hope that helps.